Canada Queen ready now outside.
Hey, fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up, I will be sharing clips of Spice performing live in Canada. This show had a huge turnout. The fans were going crazy for Spice, and it was definitely a good vibe. The ladies were out in their numbers. It was giving me like a girls' night out vibe. Spice was very interactive with his fans, mingling with the crowd, which I personally think was pretty down to earth of her. Oh, and let me talk about her look. I think it's the first time I'm seeing Spice rocking blue braids. Let me know if it's the first time you're seeing her as well. I like the new look. However, I think it would be better if she was rocking the braids with her signature blue instead of this aqua look. But I still love it regardless. But I just would like to see her in her original, original blue color. I won't say much more though. Watch for yourself and let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section.
Canada Queen ready now outside.
Outside.
You've made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Guys, it is free to subscribe and I would truly appreciate it. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace, I'm out.